How do you record a Google Meet video call using your iPad? Let me show you how it would work. If you are new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. Now, first of all, you can join any of your existing Google Meets or, just join a new one, whatever. And the point is that you can basically go to the control center and access the screen recording. Of course, make sure that everybody is okay with that and, that all of the other participants know that you are recording it. But you can see that you can click on the screen record as such, click on start, and you'll be able to capture whatever is going on in here, right? So the important distinction is that you don't want to just start the screen recording to share it right there, but instead you want to just capture it and save it into the gallery, right? So you can hold down on the screen recording button and actually pick the Photos app to be saving the recording too. So when you do it this way, you basically are capturing the parts of the screen, but you don't share it or broadcast it anywhere, but you actually save it to the gallery. So that's kind of an important distinction which you have to make. But yeah, that's how it would work. Of course, you can also pick whether the microphone is going to be enabled or not. But at the end of the day, this is how you can make sure that it gets the job done. So as I said, the other people should be okay with it, and you should most definitely let others know that you're doing that. But other than that, it should be fine. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Hit it the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.